How mindfulness meditation could help lower eye pressure. Mindfulness meditation has been shown to offer various health benefits, and one intriguing area of research is its potential impact on eye health, specifically in lowering eye pressure. Intraocular pressure, IOP, is a critical factor in eye health, as elevated IOP is a significant risk factor for conditions like glaucoma, a leading cause of irreversible vision loss worldwide. While mindfulness meditation should not replace medical treatment, it can be used as a complementary practice to support eye health. 1. Stress reduction. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment and letting go of distracting thoughts. This practice can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety, which can contribute to eye pressure elevation. Chronic stress can elevate cortisol levels, affecting blood flow and circulation in the eye, potentially impacting IOP. 2. Improved sleep quality. Mindfulness meditation has been linked to improved sleep quality and duration. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall health, and in the context of eye health, good sleep promotes better ocular blood flow and can help regulate IOP. 3. Enhanced circulation. Mindfulness meditation can promote relaxation, leading to vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, and improved circulation throughout the body. This may positively influence blood flow in the eyes, potentially contributing to better regulation of IOP. 4. Reduced muscle tension. During mindfulness meditation, practitioners often focus on body awareness and consciously release muscle tension. Relaxed eye muscles may help maintain better drainage of fluid from the eyes, which could impact IOP levels. 5. Mind-body connection. Mindfulness meditation fosters a stronger mind-body connection, enabling individuals to become more attuned to their bodily sensations and potential early signs of eye-related discomfort. This heightened awareness may lead to early detection and timely intervention, thereby promoting overall eye health. It's important to note that mindfulness meditation should not be considered a standalone treatment for eye conditions or a substitute for medical care. If you have concerns about eye pressure or any eye-related issues, it is essential to consult with an eye care professional for proper evaluation and treatment. Incorporating mindfulness meditation into your daily routine can be a valuable addition to your overall well-being. As with any new practice, it may take time and consistency to experience noticeable benefits. With the potential to reduce stress, promote better sleep, enhance circulation, relax eye muscles, and foster a mind-body connection, mindfulness meditation can play a supportive role in maintaining eye health and possibly contribute to lower eye pressure over time. As you embrace mindfulness meditation as a complementary practice for eye health, it's essential to integrate it into your daily routine with consistency and patience. Here are some practical steps to get started and maximize the potential benefits for lowering eye pressure. 1. Establish a regular practice. Set aside a specific time each day for your mindfulness meditation practice. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. Start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable with the practice. 2. Focus on breathing. One of the fundamental aspects of mindfulness meditation is focusing on your breath. Pay attention to the sensation of your breath as you inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your focus back to your breath without judgment. 3. Body scan. Incorporate a body scan into your meditation sessions. Start from the top of your head and slowly move your attention down to your eyes. Bring awareness to any tension or discomfort in the eye area and consciously release it. 4. Practice mindful eating. Mindfulness can extend beyond meditation sessions. Practice mindful eating by paying full attention to the flavors, textures, and sensations of your food. Eating mindfully can help reduce stress, which, in turn, may positively impact eye pressure. 5. Integrate mindfulness into daily activities. Bring mindfulness into your everyday life by being fully present in each moment. Whether you're walking, working, or engaging in daily tasks, try to stay mindful and avoid multitasking. 6. Seek guidance. If you're new to mindfulness meditation, consider joining a guided meditation class or using meditation apps that provide structured sessions. These resources can help you establish a consistent practice and deepen your understanding of mindfulness techniques. 7. Monitor your progress. Keep track of your meditation sessions and any changes you observe in your stress levels, sleep quality, and overall well-being. While immediate effects may not be dramatic, consistent practice over time may lead to cumulative benefits. 8. Combine with other healthy habits. Remember that mindfulness meditation is most effective when combined with other healthy lifestyle habits, such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and regular eye checkups with your eye care professional. As you incorporate mindfulness meditation into your life, keep in mind that it's a journey of self-discovery and self-care. Embrace the process, and be patient with yourself as you explore the potential benefits for lowering eye pressure and promoting overall eye health. Consult with your eye care professional if you have any concerns or questions about integrating mindfulness into your eye health regimen. With commitment and mindfulness, you can work toward maintaining healthy eyes and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.